The recent story of one of the actresses being found dead shook all of us. We come across these kind of stories of the people who matter really to us, and they really lit up something in our life day in and day out. We come across these kind of stories of our fathers, mothers, sisters and brothers, and we see them often in the news or somewhere in our circles where we feel ourselves lonely and also helpless in such kind of matters. Moments or incidents like these make us feel how fragile life is. And the fragility seems more when we are living abroad and our parents are back in Pakistan. Those are the times where we really feel helpless. For those living abroad, the distance can feel heavier during times of illness and loss. Incidents and stories like these reminded us to create Remedo app. We are here to bridge the gap. Our platform offers a dedicated at-home healthcare services that includes blood tests, investigations like MRI, CAT scans, consultations like nutritionist and physiotherapist, all at the very homes of your beloved ones while you are being abroad. You can stay informed, connected, and in control of their care no matter where you are. Let's take care of the ones who once cared for us, because health is not just medical, it's emotional, it's tangible.